Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to set a default homepage in Firefox. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open the browser Firefox. Okay, and the default homepage is Google, as you can see, for my browser. And now I am going to show you how to change the default homepage. For example, once you open the browser, which page should be displayed as homepage? Click on the right side on the burger icon and choose setting, as you can see. And on the left side we have different menus. Click on home, as you can see. And here we have homepage and new windows. Okay. The default homepage is Google, so I'm going to change that. Select from here custom URL and change, for example, once you open the browser, which website should be open. I am going to change into youtube.com. So once you paste the URL, you write the URL, use current, no, youtube.com or www.youtube.com. youtube.com, and okay, and then close the browser. Once you paste the URL and use current page, close that, and open. If we open the browser, the YouTube should be open as default homepage, as you can see. Yeah, that's how you can actually set default homepage as in Firefox. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. And if you're new here, please do subscribe my channel to support me, and see you in the next video.